serious case. A woman approximately of 43 years old age was having severe bleeding since 3 months, and platelets count was very low, and HV was 6 gram, or having very vertigo, headache, and weakness. With great weakness, she was unable to stand, or she came to me and request for the treatment. If there is any treatment in homeopathy, in this case of severity, sir, please guide us. Otherwise, we should go to the higher hospital or admit in some hospital. I assured her we can try. First, you try homeopathy for the time being and just give me 1 hour only. If we can help you, then you can stay with us. Otherwise, you can go to other hospital. I asked her, what is your problem? She said, sir, is it confirmed that my bleeding can be stopped? Otherwise, it may not happen that my bleeding may increase and there may be something which I could not think any adverse thing may happen to me. Are you sure you give me the treatment? I said, why are you thinking like this? Sir, I am passing two big clouds, just like this clouds, this size of clouds with a heavy bleeding. I have heard, sir, when these clouds passes, there is a possibility of cancer in the uterus. I am afraid of that. I may suffer from this type of disease. If you are sure, then please give me treatment. So I gave her a dose of medicine and asked him to sit or lie down for 15 minutes more. After all, we will check. After 15 minutes, as she was having headache, when she came to me and feeling great weakness with paleness of her whole body and especially face. After 15 minutes, I sent my assistant to ask her how she feels. She said, my headache is little bit decreased. As far as my bleeding is concerned, I can't say about this. Only my headache is reduced up to some extent. I again sent a dose of Saclec and just call her to feed for another more 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, my assistant went her and asked how you feel. She said, my headache is completely gone and my bleeding is reduced. I have not passed a single clot during the 30 minutes. Otherwise, I had passed many clots. When I slide up like this, clot passed more. But I had tried by coughing. I did not pass any clot. So after another 15 minutes, again, we administered a single dose of Saclec. And after that, we inquired the patient. And I myself go to the patient in the next room and asked her how you feel. She said, sir, very good feeling. And my weakness is gone. And her husband was sitting with her and her mother-in-law also sitting with her. Both of them said that we could see her, she is good. She is looking good. Her face is not that much pain, that is also good. And patient said, my headache is totally gone and bleeding is stopped up to 90%. No clot passed in 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Then it was the case of the acute emergency, heavy bleeding. In such type of cases, we usually refer these cases to higher hospital or to gynecologist. But homeopathy did a very good job. I made simple rubric without inquiring deep into the case. Patient was saying, sir, I have heard that when these type of clots passed, there is a possibility of cancer. Sir, is it confirmed that you give me treatment, it will cure me? It may not happen. It may not happen that I may suffer from this type of problem. Then, if you are sure, then give me treatment. This was the statement of the patient. I make the rubrics. Fear betrayed of me. Superstitious. Fear suffering of. Lachesis 30 was given to the patient, and within 1 hour, bleeding was stopped up to 90%. Patient was feeling much better. This is the good result of homeopathy, even in cases of emergency also. My purpose is to discuss this case with all of friends, okay, just to show the potential of homeopathy in acute also. Thanks.